Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I'm diving into a question that's been buzzing around the vlogging community. Is the Sony ZV-1 the best vlogging camera of 2024? Let's find out. First, let's talk about size and portability. The Sony ZV-1 is compact, making it perfect for vlogging on the go. It fits right in your pocket, so you can take it anywhere. Plus, it's super lightweight, so you won't get tired holding it up for those long vlogging sessions. Now onto the image quality. The ZV-1 boasts a 1-inch sensor and a 24-70mm lens, which means crisp, clear videos every time. Whether you're filming in broad daylight or in low-light conditions, this camera performs exceptionally well. And let's not forget the bokeh effect. The background blur is just stunning, making your subject pop. But what about audio? The ZV-1 comes with a built-in directional microphone and an included windscreen. This means you'll capture clear audio without the distracting background noise. And if you want to step up your audio game, there's a mic input for external microphones too. One of my favorite features is the flip-out screen. It's perfect for framing your shots, whether you're filming yourself or something else. Plus, the screen is touch-sensitive, so you can easily navigate the settings without fussing around with buttons. Speaking of settings, the ZV-1 has a cool product showcase mode. If you're showing off gear or products, the camera quickly focuses on the object and then back on you. No more waving your hand in front of the lens. It's seamless and professional. Battery life is decent, but I'd recommend carrying a spare if you're planning a full day of vlogging. And the camera charges via USB-C, which is super convenient. So, is the Sony ZV-1 the best vlogging camera of 2024? If you're looking for a portable, high-quality camera with great audio and user-friendly features, then absolutely. It's a powerhouse in a small package, perfect for vloggers of all levels. Alright, that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Catch you in the next one. Peace.